How to fix too many background processes in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop or how you can fix too many background processes in your Windows device. So let us begin. Now the first thing you'll want to do is open up your task manager. You can simply right click on your taskbar and you should see the task manager option. Simply tap on task manager and it should open up. Now right here what you can do is you can simply end the task such as the background processes here of anything that you do not want. Now there are a lot of things right here, so you can just end this. You can tap on it, you can right click on it and end task. Now you can do this for a lot of things here such as your softwares or games that keep on playing in the background. You can keep on ending their task, and yeah, that's the first way. Now you can end a lot of things here. As you can see, I have a lot of background processes going on. I can just end anything that I find not worth the background processing, and that should fix a lot of trouble. Now that will increase my system speed for a while, and yeah, that's the first thing you can do. Now the second thing that you can do is first head over to your settings, and after you are on your settings, simply search for apps. After you search for apps, there should be an option that says add or remove program. You can simply head over there and you will see the installed applications on your device. Now right here what you can do is you can just stop the background processing altogether. So simply head over to advanced options, and after you're on advanced options, you should see an option that says background apps permissions. Now here, all you need to do is select never. After you select never, this app will stop running in your background, and that should fix a lot of problems. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.